We have in front of us the electric scooter CT1. We're going to do an unboxing video for a lot of you folks that are ordering these. These are great for the golf course, great for the bike paths, just cruising around. This is the CT1 with the big fat tires. All right, you guys, until the next clip.
Oh, and it's blue.
Well, look at that. It's blue in color. So we got the top open. This is what it's going to look like, you guys, when you unpack it. It's the CT1 electric two-wheel scooter. Okay, you guys, what we did is we just cut the sides off. You can see what it looks like. I'll do a walk around, 360 of it. You're going to have to put that front wheel on. Handlebars, of course, against the CT1 two-wheel scooter. All right, so Adam is cutting through the protective plastic. You can see the front wheel packed in there on the floorboard. He has a nice plastic protection over it. That's the front wheel, you guys. The handlebars as shown. You got your front headlight. This is the front fender. All right, we got the rear shocks. I like those shocks on there, adjustable.
They are adjustable.
Okay, you guys, so these canisters over here, there is no valve air stem on that, so you can't fill those with air. It's mainly just for show, but these are adjustable over here. And this is the battery, you guys. It's removable, and we'll show you guys. It has its own lock. I'll show you that in a second how this works. This is your front brake caliper.
Rest. That's cool.
I like the rear disc caliper here, and then also has front disc caliper.
We have the battery to the vehicle.
Okay, you guys just saw shortly. It's locked in there, locked in place. That's the keeper of the battery right there, as shown. Okay, you can lock it in place. You can remove it to charge it, or just charge it while it's on. So go ahead, take it out again, Rob. All right, throw the key in there. You can take it out with you. All right, so Adam, he slid in the handlebars already. Check it out, you guys. That's what you're gonna do. Just slide it on top and then find your hardware. And you're gonna tighten the neck over here. And be good to go. Okay, so what you guys wanna do is you wanna pop the seat. And when you do pop the seat, you will find the owner's manual. It's a nice little storage under the seat over here. Plenty deep for paperwork and little tools, odds and ends, or you can lay a drink sideways on that. And there's a toolkit that was in there as well. You guys, this toolkit was in there. That's where you're gonna find your hardware in your toolkit. And your hardware to mount this backrest for the seat. All right, you guys, this is the key that it comes with here. You get two keys, and you get a couple of remotes here, remote start and stop. And also you got a separate key to open the seat, which is this one right here. This also
Works the battery.
unlocks the battery, correct? So it opens up your seat, you guys, this one here, as well as you can unlock your battery with it. And we've got the battery right now charging up there, as shown. Right over here. Okay, so Adam's securing the neck with the hardware provided, as shown.
Piece to go down more.
Make sure you use a mallet when you do that, you guys. Don't use any hard object. Put a mallet on that if you need to position it properly. What's that there, an Allen?
Yeah, it's an Allen. It's a, what does it say right here? 8mm.
8mm, okay.
I figure out which one it is.
Okay, so you notice that Adam mounted the front wheel He removed the axle, which was shown on the prior clip, and now he's going to mount the caliper. Were there spacers with that as well, with that axle?
Oh yeah, right here. There's one here.
So there were spacers there. Make sure you put those spacers in,
And
you
then a
guys.
small on the other side.
And there was one here on that side. So there were spacers on that axle. Make sure you use them on both sides. Now Adam will mount from the hardware he pulled from that toolkit. Mount the disc brakes in the front. Okay, Adam's right now going to tighten up the axle. Go ahead, what are you using, Adam?
A 17 and a 14.
All right, you guys, a 17 and a 14. All right, you guys, I'll do a 360. We're almost there. As you can see, we're getting close. You're gonna put the fender on there too. We'll catch you on the next clip. Okay, you guys, we are complete with the 100% of the CT1 scooter, 2000 watt, as shown. And you guys can watch our prior video we've done, probably last year on this particular one, for a full demo review on it. I just want to show you guys what's involved with unboxing it. It's pretty easy, right there, Adam?
Yeah.
Got the side view mirrors going on. It has the disc brakes all the way around, 10-inch wheels. Max speed is about 28 miles per hour on there. And yeah, it was pretty easy. So this is what you guys can expect when you purchase one online. Go ahead for a short ride there, Adam. All right, there you go. Super stealthy. All right, very good.